So this is a demo of the Bluetooth touchpad application, and now what I have here is a Google Nexus 1, and on the computer side I have Ubuntu laptop running Ubuntu. So I start from the very same beginning. On the Nexus 1 phone you have to enable Bluetooth, go to menu, settings, then wireless and networks, Bluetooth settings, and just enable Bluetooth. So it will take a while. Then you click on discoverable and the device would be discoverable for a couple of minutes. On the computer, open Blumen and click on search. So here's our device, the Nexus 1 device, and we just click on pair. We'll have to confirm the numbers on both the device, on the Nexus and the Ubuntu. So now they are pairing. It will also take a while. Okay, so we also mark the Nexus as trusted. We click on trust. So now I go to the home screen and start the Bluetooth touchpad application. Okay, I have to choose between two configurations. The first one is keyboard and mouse configuration. I choose it. So now there's a new service record in the SDP registry, and I have to go to Blumen again and refresh the services because there is a new service of keyboard and mouse in the registry, in the phone's registry. So I click on refresh services. It's refreshing them. I click once more just to be sure. Okay, it's ready. Now I click here. I see a list of the paired devices. There's only one, my computer. I click on it and now I'm connecting. So I can choose one of several use case scenarios, one of several options. And I will show you the keyboard first. This is the usual Android keyboard, but when you type, you can see that the computer is handling your input just as the input of any ordinary Bluetooth keyboard. You can see in the left upper corner that the computer is also receiving the keys, the key codes, the letters. So the next step would be, I will show you the touchpad, which was the main option. It would work just like the touchpad of any laptop. You can move the mouse cursor, you can click. So this is my bachelor thesis, and you can scroll up and down, up. You can make left clicks. So it's actually working just like a regular touchpad, and you can also mark text. Okay. So the next option I would like to show you. Well, first I will disconnect. I will press the back button and I will press it once again. So now I can choose a different service record which would be inserted in the SDP registry, and now I will choose the keyboard and the mouse, which sends absolute screen coordinates, so it's much more like a pointer, like a pointing device. Okay, now the phone has a different service record, other service record in its registry, so you have to go once again in Blueman. Blueman is actually a standard Bluetooth utility for Ubuntu. So click once again on refresh services. One more time. So the computer would know that there is a different service record in the registry of the phone. Okay, now I could connect, and then I would choose the pointer, the pointing option. Now, as you see there, when I point my device to the left, the mouse cursor is going left, so to the right, up and down, and the other corner. And as you can see, actually the sensors of the device, they are not so accurate. But I think if you're using the Galaxy Nexus S, this wouldn't be a problem. So there is another interesting use case scenario. This is the paint pad. So what you actually can do with this paint pad, you can use your phone as a drawing pad, as a drawing tablet. So it would be like this. Okay, and watch now. Okay, I will draw a car. And so oops. So it's just like a drawing tablet. You have to press the trackball button in order to draw, and you have to keep your finger on the screen. You don't have to move it outside the screen. So it's really easy, it's really comfortable for drawing. Okay, almost ready. Okay, so another option is the voice. The voice is actually using the voice recognition API, and okay, I will show you how it works. I press this button and then I have to speak. Android is the best operating system in the world. As you saw in the upper left corner, the phone sends it the message as a standard keyboard input. I will try again. I really like ice cream and chocolate. Well, it's working. So the last option I would like to show you is the gamepad. It is actually a small joystick, and you could play some really basic games. So this game is Super Tux. It's a Ubuntu game, and now you can jump. Okay. Okay. And you can fire these fireballs. Whoops. Okay. Well, I haven't played for a while. So this was the demo for the Bluetooth touchpad application. Okay, thank you very much.